So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock permanent lock Snapchat account. Lot of Snapchat user has been reporting to how to unlock permanent locked Snapchat account on my iPhone and Android. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. User's question is how to unlock Snapchat account on my iPhone and Android devices. This process is same for the iPhone as well as Android users. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now first of all, strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices. When Wi-Fi to connected, now open the any browser like Safari या तो Chrome browser. I will open the Safari browser. In the Safari browser top corner search bar, in search bar search support.snapchat.com. This official support page for the Snapchat. Now scroll down. After you can see also second last option is troubleshooting. Now first option is login and new account troubleshooting. Now again scroll down and tap on the yes. Now you can see also contact us. Now first option is I think my account was compromised. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now again scroll down. After you can see also this form available. Now first option is username. Please make sure tap on that and enter your correct Snapchat username. Now second option is email address. So guys, please make sure correct email address enter in this form. Now third one option is mobile number. So guys, please enter correct mobile number. Now last option is what information should we have. These details I give you on my description box. So guys, please make sure open and copy paste this box. The detail is my account mistakenly locked. I never use third-party applications. Please unlock my Snapchat account. Thanks. Now tap on the send icon. After you can see also wait for the 1 week. 1 week after mail come from the Snapchat support teams. Should give a new proof and you can easily unlock your Snapchat account. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Thank you so much.